unite this region against anybody. Far from it. Every region has its unique challenges and aspirations that must be addressed in a specific manner. We want to encourage all regions to be united, and once they're united, we unite the country. And I'm happy that the ordinary people from this region are united to a man. True or false? So, ignore a few noises here and there. And leaders of this region who want to fight unity, don't speak in Western. Don't speak in Rift Valley. Come and speak here. If you think this unity is a bad thing for the Mount Kenya region or is tribalism the way I'm hearing, don't speak outside there. Kuja ita mkutano hapa Kurehe, useme hii umoja ya Mount Kenya ni Ukabira. I want to advise our leaders with tremendous respect. Please, our leaders, all politics is local. Listen to your people. Listen to the ground. Align your thinking, your utterances with the people. That is what I do all the time. I listen to the ground. I listen to my people. My people are saying we want to be united. And we are not being united against anybody or any other region. If we are saying the way to reform our economy is through the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, unity too will be achieved through the bottom-up economic model, the bottom-up approach. We start with the family. You cannot unite the people of Kenya if your own family is fighting. You start at home. The husband and the wife and the children are talking one language. Once you unite the family, you unite the village.